Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little unboxing today. It's the new year, as in January 1st, and these are actually like late Christmas presents because my family's Christmas dinner got canceled because of the snowstorm. So anyway, long story short, we were able to have lunch today and they came with gifts. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys because I've been waiting for them for a long time. One is actually a gift. This is from my sister, and one is a bag that I found on Marketplace, but it's new with tags, and I'm super excited to be able to have it again. So hint hint. So yeah, so let me just show you guys very quickly the Lululemon first. And this will probably come as no surprise to any of you out there who's seen this item before. And it is the, I don't even know what this is called. I think this is called the, let's see, Everywhere Belt Bag. So this is in the black with the silver hardware, and it's just a simple belt bag. I'm sure everyone in your family has one already. I don't actually have any Lululemon stuff. Well, a very old like jacket, but I thrifted that. I never actually bought anything new from Lululemon ever. So yeah, I do kind of live under a rock. So inside it's just simple. It's got the Lululemon at the back there. Two kind of like compartments. So one is long, and then the other one is divided into two, and then just the middle part. And at the back there's a little zipper, so it's roomy enough to fit any type of phone, which is good, and it's super lightweight because it's made of nylon. So I really like this gift. I don't have a fanny pack or belt bag in my collection, so I'm super happy. This will be handy when the kids and I go to the park and I just want to bring a few things with me, so it's all good. So that's the first one. And then the second one is actually a bag I had before that I had sold, only because I had the same color in my collection and I don't do doubles, so unless now it's black, so except for black is an exception. I think that one can have a few black bags. Anyway, so this is a 1941 bag. It's been out, or it was out for a while now, and it is the Duffel 20. So here she is. It's a light turquoise Duffel 20, and it is in the pebbled glove tan leather, which is kind of rare to see in a Duffel 20, which I was actually quite excited about. I don't think I've ever seen a Duffel 20 in pebbled in real life except for today, and this is just like so buttery soft. Like I can't believe how soft it is. Actually, I had to stuff this bag so it would stand up, and this is new with tags. It's never been used. There's that genuine glove tan pebble leather at the bottom. The person I bought this from said it's never been used. I inspected the hardware, and this is in black copper, and this is the only thing I don't like about this bag is it's black copper hardware. This hardware chips a lot. It's one of my least favorite hardware from Coach, but because I got this for such a phenomenal deal, like phenomenal meaning like it's like way like more than 70% off retail price. I don't even know. I think this retailed for like $5.50 back in the day, but yeah, it still tags on. There's still stickers on the zip pocket there, like the back zip pocket. There's that snap there. It's still got that packaging on the other side of the zipper, like inside. It's just super like unused. I'll take the packaging off so you guys can see what it looks like. So yeah, it's just it's got that 1941 jacquard canvas. It's got that story patch at the back, and I feel like I could use this more as a daily bag now because I do go to work in person again, and I bring a lunch, and I bring like a little thermos with me. So I think this would be a perfect bag for that. And back when I had my duffel 20 in the 1941 saddle, I really love that bag. It's not this size is not too big. It's like a good medium size everyday bag. The reason why I let that one go is because, number one, it went to a really, really good bag friend of mine, so I don't mind parting with it. Number two, I didn't reach for it as much before because, again, like I was working from home. I didn't really bring a lot of stuff, or even left the house for that matter. So yeah, but now that it's back, like I really like the color. The color is like a very like light blue, kind of like greenish tone, so that light turquoise. It's kind of similar to aqua, and I've been looking for an aqua bag for a long time. I actually want a vintage one, but I just can't find a good enough aqua bag in real good condition for the price I want. So anyway, I think I'll give this a go, and these are my 2 new bags for the new year. I hope you guys had a good holiday season. I hope you guys met up with your family and friends over the holidays and caught up, you know, made up for the last 2 years. And Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you have a very wonderful year ahead. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.